Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon.
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. I'm so excited to be back for another video for 2023. It's so good to be back and today we're outside once again. Today's project is painting outdoor concrete. I hope you enjoy.
When you hold me so close, I want further in.
So guys, for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know my hubby built this man cave in 2021. Now he actually breeds canaries in there and we actually concreted out the front as soon as we built it, but my vision today was always to paint the concrete and that's what I'm going to show you what I'm doing today.
I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go.
Now I started first of all by sweeping the entire area. You want a really clean surface. Now because it had rained a few days before, I didn't pressure wash it guys, but you can do that as well. So I started by giving the very centre of the concrete 2 coats of this gorgeous baby blue colour. Now you can see that the concrete has lines either side and I'm actually going to do a contrasting colour in white.
Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me
Now
up.
guys, this is when I bought in some tape. I was using the concrete lines as a guide for the tape, but I chose to use tape at the very end closest to the door. I'm also going to use tape once I paint the outsides white. Now unfortunately I lost the footage to this, but you will see as we progress how I did that.
I saw you. I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just.
Now here I'm going along with a paintbrush. I felt like it was so much easier to do this way because the tape was actually peeling off the paint. So I removed the paint and just very gently used that line that's in the concrete as the guide for the tape.
Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose.
So while that was drying, I had these window boxes guys and I wanted to actually paint them the same blue as the concrete so it'd match. Even though they were already a darker blue, I went for the lighter blue and I was so happy with the end result.
I'm still in love with the way that you smile.
So guys, this is the part that I actually lost the footage. I was so upset that I hadn't pressed record for this section. I really thought I had, but it was just super simple. On the white stripe, I actually just put some masking tape either side down the middle and then painted over the top of that in blue.
Loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me
So once once I was done there, I took a break for some lunch, and after lunch I went round and painted the entire concrete blue with the white stripe. I chose not to do the individual stripe around the outside of the man cave purely because I just wanted it to look like almost like a rug leading you to the front door.
I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you. Do without you.
Now also off camera guys, I went in with a protective sealer, and I also did a decorative garden edge on the bottom of the concrete on the left hand side. I actually just took some liquid nails and I got some garden edging it's fake garden edging, and I just glued that to the front of the concrete. Now I'm not sure if it's going to last forever guys, but I just hated the look of that concrete from the front, and I wanted something that was just going to be a simple DIY to cover that up but look pretty at the same time.
Let you down. Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You're the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you.
It's summertime here in Australia and I've been really enjoying doing some outdoor projects guys, and this was on my to-do list for quite a few months now and I really enjoyed doing it. I also thought I'd show you a little bit of my backyard garden. I love decorating outside as well guys. Here I got a old vintage wheelbarrow that I painted blush pink, and my petunias this year are doing so well.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So guys, I'm super happy with how this project came. Like everything, it is a work in progress. I'm always working on my backyard, but I'm no professional guys, but I'm truly loving how this concrete came. It was my first time attempting anything like this, and I felt like it really gave a brighter spark to the backyard.
Show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take.
Now, one of the other things I thought I'd share with you guys is we just installed an outdoor kitchen. Now, I didn't actually film a video of the progress of this, but hubby did a beautiful shiplap wall at the back and let me add some shelving for some styling, and I absolutely love how this came, guys. It just really tied in the backyard and the alfresco area, and I'm really loving it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing some DIY projects in your outdoor area. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.